You guys might not know this, but I am an auto mechanic. God.
A true grease monkey.
Boys.
Get under the hood and get your hands dirty in our simulated mechanics shop.
Huh? Yeah, thought so. You. Alright, bye. Yes, I am professional. Did you know that? Professional.
Hello, human. This is an accurate simulation of auto mechanic. Take a look at this board for instructions.
You just interrupted me. Yeah, so what I was about to say is a car there.
Pretty important in the car. I'd like to call that the Achilles piece. Oh yeah, I know all about the Achilles piece. It's a real important piece of a car. Well, there's lots of stuff inside of a car you gotta
Gonna pull it
talk
again.
around with, and superior robot people.
Good morning, human. I'll require a tune-up. Please take a look under the hood.
Under the hood.
This spot just needs a little fluid. No problem.
I remember. I'm going back to the good old days now. I remember Dan TDM video. That thing, potato car, or whatever the video was called. But I remember that. That's one of the main. Wait, so I forgot what it needs. Fluids. So does it just need hot, cold, best sellers? What do you need? Yes. Yes. Oh yeah. Fluid. Headlight fluid. Oh yeah, there's none in there. I mean, it's still fluid, isn't it? Lemon. You want this? You can turn
This
this on.
vehicle's power source appears to be unacceptably inefficient.
Unacceptably. Parts. There. See, you can tell I am not good at mechanic. What do I need? Take the potato batteries. This. There.
Well done. That's looking
I can have
very
that for
car.
minutes, anyway.
Press the button to drop it back down when you're finished.
Oh no. No! Okay. Can I eat it? No. Lift this up. Whoa. Oh wait, hold on. Looks sick, doesn't it? Car drop. Oh, hold on. We gotta give you that. Gotta give you it though. Oh,
In
you're
shops
keeping
like
it?
these, everything had a price. Make sure you bill the customer for the use of your highly valuable
Keep
time.
that open. Make sure you keep that open, okay? Huh? Give me your $2,771. Give me it. No.
Oh,
I ain't playing no
thank
games
you,
anymore.
human.
Store
I'll
Collect
get this
doesn't.
taken care of right away.
Very good, human. But we're just getting started.
Closed it.
The world of auto mechanic has so much more to offer.
So fast. Whoa! Hey, you want this open?
Human, I've got this coupon for a Sleazebot special, whatever that is. Says that there's a discount, so hurry up and take care of my car. Get a move
Yeah, I
on
don't.
it.
I don't know what that means
Human,
either.
over here. I'm Sleazebot, the owner of this fine establishment. Now this bot's got a coupon, so let's take real good care of him by sabotaging their car and making him come back later for more work.
Huh? So what do I do? Open the lid, hood, or bonnet.
Okay, pistons in the engine? Don't need those.
Yeah, don't need them.
Yeah, just
Take
recombobulate the thing there. How about my headlight fluid? How's that looking? Yeah, I know about cars. Headlight fluid? You name it, we got it. Get this bot some headlight fluid, human.
Okay. Need to scratch my eye, mister. Headlight fluid. So which one do you want, sir? Yellow. Okay. So you wanted yellow? Okay, yeah. Huh? Oh, new headlights. Yeah. I put that in. Oh, there we go. Didn't know I had to do that.
Hey, human, while we're dealing with fluids here, why don't we spice up their gas tank with a little secret ingredient that'll ensure they're back later for more work?
Oh. Left back. Robertson. Sugar? Oh, sure. Where's the sugar stash? There it is. Come on. Why don't we put some of this in there? Oh, no, we can't. It's not supposed to be like this, is it? And I'm not... Oh, gas tank cleaner! Tailpipe clogger. Why do we need to clog it? Okay. Human fuel. Oh, donuts are... Hold on. Oh my god, I didn't know donuts grew.
Now give them this new coupon I came up with when you're done messing with their car.
Hey. Here you go. Have it. License.
Another coupon, is it? I do like discounts. You've really earned my patronage, good human. Nice job with that, Bob. You did all right, human. Now you keep at it. I'll be in the back counting the money.
To put this. Have a banana.
Well, I just got this beauty at the local junkyard. Just needs a little love so I can drive it legally. What do you say?
No.
Human transport vehicles had to be evaluated for safety regularly. Broken components like these headlights would have to be replaced before evaluation.
Oh, look at that. New license plate for you. There we go. Parts. Oh, you want this? Headlights. Oh, you want this? Yeah, of course. You want, and then you want this one. Yeah, two different ones.
The air filter's not doing too good either. Want to take a look at that? The air filter's under the hood, human. Keep up, all right?
Yeah, it's clean now.
Oh, hey. Now, how about my rust problem? Figure you could cover that up with a fresh coat of paint?
Yeah, sure. So what color is it originally? Red. Put that straight red there. Paint. On.
Well, that looks good as new. Makes that old hood
Does-
ornament look
Aesthetically displeasing.
think you can swap that out with something new and shiny?
New and shiny. Oh, that was supposed to go in there. The radio, no. What should I do? Which one should I put on? Gifts. You want a license plate on your hood? Come on. It's a tiny... Oh, I thought it was gonna be like a...
Well,
Oh,
reboot my
license
hard
plate.
drive. It's like a whole new car. Drop
No,
it down and give
not
me that
yet.
bill so I can show it off to
Not
my
yet.
buddies.
Come on. Be something better. Yes. Huh? What do you want? Oh. Give me the print. Yeah. You do know you... You can put... Hold on. Give me this. Oh, there you go. Just had to do
Thank
that.
you kindly, human.
Be cool. Very kind. Yes. Here you go. Oh, it's back. Yeah. People can get through that. I think that's my car. So,
Hello, human. I'm required by law to do emissions test on my vehicle. Get it done so I can get out of this dump. Thank you.
what do you want? Oh, back. Let me switch to
This looks like a lot of work. Let's see if we can figure out a shortcut. Check my stash. See if there's anything in there that could help us. Oh, banana. That'll do it. Nothing coming out of the tailpipe. No problem, right? This car is looking a lot more appealing. My work here is done.
Back when cars were driven by humans, drivers would use air fresheners to improve the breathing quality of the air within the vehicle.
can't believe. Can't believe how bad that smells. Front left. Oh, that's the right back. Here. Oh no. Where did it go? Here. Oh, I have to open the door, of course. Oh, does that so... How bad the smell is. Here you go. Just keep it stinky in there.
So, does this mean I passed? Well, I did my part. Catch you later, human.
I don't know. Did you do your part? Huh? Oh, how come you get a cup of coffee? Not good enough. There's two. Hold on. Oh. Take me with you! Hey, are you a Karen?
I'm just having the worst day ever. My tires are shot and I need some replacements.
Oh, that one's not gone yet. Hold on. Hold on. You alright with me getting underneath the car? I think that one's fine. That one's definitely fine. Ow! Sorry. Oh. Oh, you just want me to go to the left. Tires. Yeah, that does look kind of bad. They're worn, they're done, and that one's done. I'm not sure about that one still. I'm just gonna crawl over here. Ugh. Oh yeah, that one's popped. That one's gone. Huh? Oh, take it off. 4. Which one do you want? This one. I mean, you're having that one no matter what. Ugh. Don't give me it back. And it almost came back. Classic. 4. Oh yeah. Right front. Oh yeah, they're both gone. Wow. Put me on the back. I can't be bothered. The back. You know what? You're not having that. You're having this. That
Could you
looks
put a
so
spare
good.
tire in the back of my truck so I'm a little more prepared?
Oh yeah, obviously. Here you go. Oh, sorry. Huh? In the front or the back?
I'm
Yeah, 'cause
pretty
there's no
sure
route.
my engine's overheating too. It's making all kinds of weird noises.
When
Okay,
objects are too
I'll...
hot, fluid can be used to cool them down.
Ah! Fluid. Which type of fluid? The cold one. Anti-freeze. Hold on. My controller again. There we go. Oh, which fluid? This one. And then you do this one.
Things are looking a bit better, but
And
I
this
spilled my
one.
slushy on the way over here. Could you fill it up for me?
Before
You're
nutritional
slushy.
implants, humans also needed fluid from time to time.
Huh? Oh, you want fluid? Here you go. You want a mixture? Yellow and green. It's gonna look real cool because it turns into green.
Thanks, human. Maybe this day's gonna turn around for me after all.
Ready to paint?
Anyway, drop my car down when you're done and let me see the damage.
Yes. No, you're not having that type of blue. You're having this type of blue. Yeah. 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 There's a little darker. Did you know that? Hot sauce. Anti-freeze. I didn't know that would happen. I thought it was only cold. How come I can eat this? This is the only thing I can eat. Hold on. You haven't got one of them. Have you got one on the back? No, you haven't, have you? You know what? That can stay there. Go to the front. Gas. You ready? This is going to be the sickest thing you've ever seen. Look at that. That is sick, isn't it? Here you go. You can also have this as a reward.
Oh, this is nothing compared to my student loans. Thanks for getting me back on the road.
You haven't got none? No point. Oh, I went there. Are you ready? Hold on. You're not ready, are you? Oh no, I didn't mean to drink it. 3, 2, 1. Throwing up, just scored a banger in
Back in the age
basketball.
of capitalism, shops like this would be hesitant to question a customer's needs.
Hey, human! I need an emergency paint job.
Oh,
I suddenly
come on,
decided I
yeah.
hate the color of this car. Totally normal
Emergency
thing to
paint
do.
job.
I'm not on the run or anything.
Give this spot whatever they want, human. It's not our concern.
That'll be 250. Okay. Hold on, not this color.
I could really use some more gas, too, if you want to fill it up. I've been on the run. I mean, I've been having fun. Fun ride. Just, put some gas in, please.
You can't have that. You can't have them. Fluids, I'm already on it. Oh, left back. My bro has been on the run.
Great! Let's wrap this up by giving me a new license plate? Yeah, just to really drive home that unique new look.
Ah, yeah. Definitely not so the police don't catch her. Oh yeah, I already took them off, by the way. I mean, I already took the license plate off. Bye! Another gravity cube. Grifty cube. Lube. Yo, that's gravity lube.
Perfect. Just finish up whatever you're doing and drop the car so I can leave normally.
Huh, what did you say? Drop the car. Definitely not gonna, like, run.
Okay, just give me the bill. You know I've got the cheddar.
You. Cheddar. You know what I'm about to do? You seem to love your... You seem to love your cheddar. You can hold this then. The black? Ah. Huh? Getting close? There's something wrong with your boot, lad. Look at this. Oh, cheddar there. Come on, cheddar, you know what to do. Ha. Yeah. Hold on. Listen! No refunds! 2,581.
You never saw me, alright?
Alright. Here you go, have it back. You left your hat. Okay, I just want a job.
Hey human, I'm participating in a car show tonight and I want to look my best. Think you can give my car a looking at?
Supervisor
It's all
Box.
yours, human. Just drop
I
the lift when
was
you're
thinking
done.
mostly stuff on the, outside of the car. But hey, you're the expert.
Yeah, I'm the expert. Take some cheese. What do you want? So hold on. Get me to the front left. That's the wrong side. Oh yeah, the hat. Gearbox working. Forwards, reverse. Forwards, reverse. Is it working? Whenever I do that, does it work? Yeah, sounds like it works. So more on the outside. Okay, works. The battery, knew it. The battery. I think think your battery might be dead.
Do you really have to take that out?
Yeah, parts. Battery. There you go. Giving you a new battery, my boy. Does that change anything? Yes, it has some volts. Oh, that's the volts. Oh. You need some gas. You need some gas. Go to the front. Gas. Where do I put the gas? Do I put it? I should be the good person here, but I do not know where to put the gas. Turn. Right back. No. Left back. Yep, there it is. You need some gas, my boy.
Giving it a top off, huh? The service here is great.
Yep, giving it top off. What else? Yeah, everything works. Do you want some decor? I think it's the decor. What is this, man? Nothing. Fine Pine, Sugar Taurus, Hot Vegas Darkroost. I bet you'll love this, my lad.
Nice. Looks and smells fresh.
Looks and
I can see
smells
you're
fresh.
busy, so just drop the car when you're finished with it, alright?
Yep, the car works perfect. Anything else here that doesn't look right? Does it feel warm on my face? I think so. No, that's not what AC is supposed to be. You wanted stuff on the outside. My favourite thing. What do you want? Gifts. No stash. Tires. Yes, come on. Donut tire. Put it in there. Oh, come on. Please. Let's go. Let's go. Do you need a new paint job? I am sorry, but you need a new paint job. Can I not paint that as well? Which colour? This one. This looks good. That looks so
nice color. I can
that
dig
looks
it.
so great.
Hey, you know what?
Thank-
You did a pretty good job with this. Just hand me the bill and I'm out of here.
No, I'm coming with you.
Alright,
Sit
human.
me there.
See you again sometime.
Boundaries. Bye. Yeah, bye.
Okay, human. There's a big race going on today, and I've decided to
Big race.
sponsor it. We're guaranteed to make lots of money off this. We just need some advertising. This is the sign we're gonna put out. Start by hanging some decorations on the sides there. Use anything, whatever looks good.
On the oh, this. We need promotion. Oh, stringy. Nah, not this. Ugh. I want gifts. Gifts. Give me that. Yeah. It's a bobble thing. Whatever it's called. Don't even know what it's called. And I am, let's say, older than 9. And I don't know what that's called. Bobblehead oil. There we go.
Here's some old paints I had lying around. Paint something cool in the middle, then hand me the paintbrush when you're done.
Oh. So, brown. Oh, I have a really good idea. It didn't really go as planned because it wasn't equal there. But it still looks good. Huh? Oh yeah, here you go, lad. Yeah, looks great, doesn't it? Can't say that doesn't look great.
That looks,
Bye.
good enough. Out it goes. Now we just sit back and wait for the customers to come swarming in.
What did you say? Start swarming in. 1, 2, 3. Give me some there.
Okay, so I was racing super fast as usual, and out of nowhere there was all this oil and debris, and I spun out, and my car's all messed up now. So what's the deal? Can you help me or what? Hurry up! Come on!
What? Yeah, just go over there. Bye. I don't see nothing wrong with your
the
tires.
best we got, human. These racing types are always willing to shell out the money for the top
Oh
players.
yeah, there's something wrong with them tires. This type. These wheels. Certain type of wheels. Okay. Every single part of the car. Oh, that's bad. Oh, that's bad. Hey, take it. Missed. What a bounce and catch. Woo! Hey, take your wheel. Hey, take this woman's wheel for me. No.
Okay, maybe that'll work. But I feel like we could go even faster. Could you load up the 404 with some turbo nos? The fastest you got. Pour it right in there. Let's do this. Come on, let's go.
Frauds. Are you serious? Oh, there. Left back. Yes, got it this time. Oh, it's a goblin? Oh, I was gonna drink that. Nah, I accidentally threw it away. Yo, it's a pixel wheel. Give me it back, please. Nope. I ain't having that back.
Interesting. Thanks for work. I trust you. Okay, now it's time to win this race. I'm out of here. Let's go. See ya.
No! Oh, wait. No! She shall not get away and come back! Oh, what's up, my G? Oh, wow.
Cool! Hey man, can you help me clean out my traveling van? It's kind of gnarly in there and I'm picking up some weird vibes.
So what is this? I mean, you don't need this, do you? Yeah, you do. You don't have an... Hold on. Is this... Yeah, there should be an engine here. Is this like a full electric car? Right back. Come on. Okay, open the door. Give me one of these. Smash it. Huh? This is... No, come back. Okay. You can have it back. Ha! Thought I'll get it with the sneak attack. Sort of sneak attack. Is it supposed to be like this in here? Seems like you. Huh? So, pizza. Oh yeah. Oh! Dunk! Oh!
You got anything to help out with the smell?
No, I don't got nothing. You see work? It's the hands! I haven't done a video like that yet, but in an upcoming video I am going to be printing my own hands. Yes. Or did I already do that in another video? Hold on. Keep me in here. Oh no. Keep me in here. Yes. Hold on. Sorry. I've just got the big human on. Yes, open the door from outside. Huh? Deco. Yeah. Just keep the door open. What? Tree? You want the smell of trees in your car?
Alright, that's looking a lot better. So, I'm trying to go fully green, man. Could you switch my battery out to something that really vibes with my style?
Huh? Oh, front. Sorry, I was like playing around with your car door. What do you want me to do? Parts. Okay, what do you want me to do now? Yeah. Flower pots. Sounds great. Are these like battery flower pots?
Oh, I love it. It's totally green.
Hold on. No, hold on. Slam that. Hold on, no. Slam that. Hold on. Didn't slam. Slam that. Get some coffee, you know what I'm saying. That's a battery. Tried to kick it in real life. Boom! Slammed. Bye! Oh yeah.
Alright, human, that looks good. I'll see what I can do about this bill.
Yeah, see what you can do. Maybe pay it. Sorry. The last person didn't pay the bill. Did you know that? The last person didn't pay the bill.
Hey, Sleazebot, I got the car just like you asked. Let's hurry up and get to work before he comes looking for it.
Oh, human, this is a special job. We got to strip this thing down for parts. For reasons. Come on, human, grab everything you can. Hurry up. Leave nothing behind.
Hold on.
Nice. Those will be easy to resell.
Right front. Move right back. Anything in here?
Nothing too small to loot. I like your stuff.
Hello, here he comes. Act natural.
It took me a while to find where you parked my car, Valet Bot.
I never would have expected you to get it tuned up for me like this. It's great. Are you done with it? Can I drive it home?
No. Not drivable.
A free tune-up? This is the best valet service ever. Nice job. I'll be back for my share of the earnings later.
Let's just call that last job a little bit of personal business. Just pretend you never saw anything, all right?
All right. $.
Wow, that car looks pretty messed up.
Oh, you gotta help me, human. I took my dad's car out last night with my friends, and now it's a mess. He's gonna kill me.
Okay,
Whoa.
this won't be too bad.
That's
Just clear
different.
off those branches for starters. That novelty air freshener looks
That's fine.
incriminating. Better remove that too.
What to? Oh.
Okay, I just realized he's totally gonna know I used the car because the mileage counter. Can you do something?
Yeah, classic. I used to do this all the time when I was a kid. Just throw the car in reverse and put the pedal to the metal.
Here we go.
There's a bit more evidence in the trunk. You think you could get rid of that too?
What's in the trunk? Wait.
Okay, great. Just do anything you gotta do. Just bill me when you're done. I still have my dad's credit card, so...
Do I get to keep these? Give me these. You've already paid the paycheck. Anyway. Ugh. Many people don't pay the bills. A lot of them didn't do it. You hear me? A lot of them didn't. They don't pay the bills. Yeah.
Oh, thanks, human. I'll get
Yeah,
this
you
squared
should thank
away
me.
later. You're the best.
Yeah, thank me. That's who you should be thanking. What is that? What's that?
Yo, I just inherited this car from my rich uncle. You gotta help me make it look as awesome as I am. Pick out a paint color that really reflects my Alright, interesting choice. Let's make this car look a little more sick. Hang something cool on the inside there. Something that expresses who I am.
Oh. Deco. You're not the coolest out of all of us. But I can put it on for you.
Solid choice. I feel that. I'm all about the cosmetics, human. You gotta stand out. I got this custom piece of hardware off the internet. Why don't you throw it on there for me? Yeah, right on the tailpipe.
On the tail. Oh my. What's he doing?
Yo, my hood's looking empty. You gotta help me spice it up with some custom bling.
Okay. Just put this in here. And then do it. Done it.
Nice! This thing is looking seriously sick.
Sick. Nothing looks sick without good gifts. You want this in here? Hold on. Here. Watch this, guys. master at my job. Did you know that? A master at my job. Here you go, you also get some money as well.
What is this? A bill? I'll get my dad to take care of this.
No, you pay it. You pay it. Well, I've only just realised I've been here for a long time. I'm not going to pull this, in fact. Triggers everyone that views this. Yes, this is the end of today's video. And it's going to be probably almost as long or longer than the other video. And a lot of people probably won't watch this because it's so long. So I need to stop it, man.